Welcome back to RV Road Report, your home for everything on wheels that brings adventure to life. Today, we've got something that blends style, strength, and smart engineering, the Westfalia Wave SRT campervan motorhome. Finished in a vibrant red, riding proudly on rugged 4x4 wheels, this machine isn't just a camper, it's a lifestyle on the move. We're about to take you on a full walk-around and interior tour, from its tough exterior to its clever, cozy interior design. So buckle up, because the Wave SRT is about to make you rethink what a campervan can do. Exterior, front view. From the very first glance, the Westfalia Wave SRT demands attention. That bold front grille proudly displays the Westfalia badge, backed by a sleek LED headlamp design that gives a modern yet commanding face. The high ground clearance and robust bumpers say it's ready for anything, whether that's city roads or mountain trails. In the showroom lighting, that vibrant red finish glows with confidence. It's not just about beauty, it's about presence. And that's exactly what the Wave SRT delivers right from the front view. Top side view. Moving up top, the Westfalia Wave SRT reveals how every inch is used smartly. Here you'll find roof-mounted solar panels that keep your energy flowing even off-grid. There's a compact satellite antenna for connectivity anywhere, and a roof-mounted air conditioning unit that ensures comfort even under blazing summer skies. This bird's-eye view proves how well thought out the design is. Aerodynamic, functional, and perfect for long journeys. It's the kind of roof setup that truly defines freedom on the road. Backside view. Let's swing around the back, and you'll notice practicality meets adventure. The rear-mounted spare tire adds a rugged look while being ready for any terrain surprises. And just beside it, the cycle carrier is perfectly fitted, making it easy to bring your bikes along for spontaneous outdoor rides. The rear doors open wide, giving full access to the interior, a design that's simple yet genius for loading gear. Every detail at the back reminds you that this van is built for explorers, not commuters. Side view. From the side, the Wave SRT really comes alive. The long body design stretches elegantly, while fold-out side tent transforms your van into an instant outdoor living zone. Set up a chair, unfold a table, and you've got a perfect setup for morning coffee or sunset dinners under the open sky. That's the joy of van life. You carry your home and your view wherever you go. The bold lines, chrome mirrors, and sporty alloy wheels add to its adventurous spirit. It's a head-turner from every side. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment, and it feels more like a luxury SUV than a camper. The seats are ergonomically designed, covered in premium material that keeps you comfortable for long hauls. The dual LED screens include one for navigation and another for a rear-view camera that gives you a clear look at the back. Every button and dial is within reach, intuitive and stylish. This is where technology and travel blend seamlessly, giving the driver full control and total comfort. Sitting and sleeping area. Moving back, we enter the living heart of the Wave SRT. Here you'll find a sofa-cum-bed setup that converts effortlessly from a lounge space into a cozy sleeping area. Soft lighting, clever storage spaces, and premium finishes make this small space feel surprisingly roomy. Whether you're reading, relaxing, or resting after a long drive, it feels like a private haven on wheels. It's the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Kitchen. Now, let's check out the compact kitchen area, perfectly designed for travel chefs. It features a 2-burner stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge, all within arm's reach. There's also storage of utensils and ingredients, plus a foldable countertop for meal prep. Cook your favorite dish while watching the sunset through the side window. That's the Westfalia charm. It's a small kitchen, but it delivers big possibilities. Washroom. Yes, the Wave SRT even manages to include a compact washroom. Despite the limited space, it comes with a toilet, shower head, mirror, and wash basin, all neatly fitted for maximum usability. Ventilation and waterproofing are perfectly handled, so you never have to compromise comfort on long trips. This is van life engineering at its best. Efficient, private, and surprisingly comfortable. And there you have it, the Westfalia Wave SRT campervan motorhome in all its glory. A vehicle that's rugged, smart, and built to explore. With a price tag of $95,000, it's designed for travelers who want freedom without giving up comfort. So, what do you think about this red beauty? Would you take it on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And before you go, force them to share, subscribe, and comment.